A couple of days ago, I was helping a friend build some boxes for his pickup truck. And these were some offcuts that I just tossed in my offcut box. But I thought, hey, I needed some sort of stand for my iPad. I wanted just a small kind of incline holding situation so I can use it when I'm working on my desktop computer, as well as when I'm working in the kitchen. And I wanted to look at a recipe or two. So I thought what I'd do is use these offcuts and see what I could come up with. Let's give that a shot. I just need an incline about, I don't know, about 2 inches or so. Something like that. And then I needed something that would keep it from falling off. Man. So I think I need about 20-degree bevel or incline, which would probably be about 2 inches. So we'll cut that out. Well, I figure I just need about a 2-inch height on the base. So we just need a couple wedges, if you will, to hold my base up. And to get the odd angle that I want, I'll just attach it to this piece of scrap board. Just enough to hold it in place. And then with the piece I want to cut, we just put it up against the fence and we'll cut it off. Well, we got our 2 little risers cut. No big deal. So what I'm going to do now is cut a couple dados in here to put those on. All right, I'll do some light sanding now. And how about some edge banding around the plywood? Well, it's the next morning, and let's see how our edge banding glue up went. Do some sanding. Go from there. Oh, there's got to be something in this pile what I can use to hold my iPad on the edge. It's got to be. Let's see. Got these 2x4s to use for some shelving. Piece of cherry, possibly. What's this here? Piece of oak. Oh, here we go. I can just use this. Put that on the edge so my iPad won't slip off. Let's see how that'll work. Well, now that we have the edge on, 3 sides, we glue on our little lip that'll hold the iPad from falling off. Well, the glue dried on my edge or lip. So we'll sand that a little bit. I need to put on some edging on my risers now to hide the edge of the plywood. And this is where CA glue comes in handy. Because there's no real way to put a clamp on these small deals. So I need to put on some edging there, and we'll use CA glue for that. There you go. Done. So that worked that good. I'll give it a little bit more time, and then I'll sand that, and then we'll glue that on to our cradle. I've got the edge bandings glued on, sanded down, put little wedges. Looking good. So now we'll glue the little wedges, the little risers on. And for this, I just thought I'd just use a little weight. Okay. The wedges should be glued by now. Perfect. Time to stain. I have some oak stain laying around. We'll give that a shot. And we'll put 3 coats of semi-gloss lacquer on. This being the 3rd coat. Well, one last thing from my little iPad stand, and that is put on some of these self-adhesive felt pads for the bottom. Well, there you have it. Nothing elaborate, but definitely serves my purpose. Be able to hold my iPad at just the right angle when I'm in the kitchen and I need a recipe on my iPad. The perfect angle right here on the workbench. I'm looking up a project. And as I mentioned, at the PC. So there you have it. Simple. Use some offcuts. Everything I had in the shop. And it serves my one purpose. Well, thanks for watching. I'll see you on my next project.